somebody gave me an old coffee table, like an indoor coffee table, an outdoor coffee table, but it had a glass top on it, which is dangerous. So he had some young children, so he gave it to us years and years ago. I kept the frame, the legs. We did use the coffee table for a while in the garden with the glass top, but now obviously we've got the grandson. I got rid of the glass, but I kept the legs and stuffed them around the back of the shed. I thought, you know what, I'm going to upcycle these. Look, ice cream in, there ice cream. I'm going to upcycle these. So what I've done, I've rubbed the frame, the legs down, they're metal legs. I'm going to do a Johnny Boy special on it. I'm going to I'll rub the legs down with some sandpaper. I'll put the link above. Just give it a coat of the old Hammerite direct to rust metal paint, smooth black. So it covers up the multitude of sins, multitude of rubbish. So I'm going to paint the legs with this, let that go off, and then I'm going to yeah, the Johnny Boy special, I'm going to get some scaffold boards, cut I think 4 lengths of scaffold board up, biscuit joint them together, biscuit glue them up, and then when that's dry, put some holes through his legs, the frame of it, and screw them on these legs. I'm going to glue them up, and I'll get the old Johnny Boy, another Johnny Boy special, get the old plumber's blowtorch on it, burn it up a little bit, and then stain it with some varnish or something to protect it. I think it'll be a nice little coffee table for in the garden, for outside the bar. That's the plan. I popped in for lunch, I left my brush out, and in the fresh air, and it's bloody drying up already. Not the best thing to do, but it's only an old outdoor table, and this is only the underside of the table. So what I want to do today is get this painted up, get the wood cut up and glued. Tomorrow, burn it, stain it, screw it all together, and it should be finished tomorrow. So I'll probably make this a little 2-part video. This will be part 1, and part 2 will be screwing it all together, I think. I should not have left this brush out. The brush was a bit stiff. I'll probably paint. I've changed my mind. What I'll probably do, I'll probably just paint the underside today and tomorrow. So I haven't painted the sides, I think, because I've got to do the underside of this. I'm going to do this a quick coat of paint. Tomorrow I'll spin it over, paint the rest of it, and then do the scaffold board. I'll cut the scaffold board up in a minute, get it glued up and ready. I'll do a little video of that. And tomorrow we'll complete the project. Should be a nice little coffee table outdoors, I think. That's the plan anyway. So the table is 68 centimetres square. Scaffold board is 23 centimetres width. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut up. If I cut up 4 pieces, it's too wide. It come right off the edge too far. So I can just fit 3 pieces on, which would be nice. 23 centimetres times 3. So I'm going to cut them up to 69 long. I'm going to cut up 3 pieces of scaffold boards, 69 long, and biscuit joint them and glue them together, clamp them up, and that should be just the right size. Doesn't really give me the overhang I wanted. I wanted a little bit of an overhang, but as I say, if I went 1 extra, it'll be too wide for the job really. Won't be that good. So I'm going to shoot over there, cut up 3 pieces, get them biscuit jointed together, glue them up, and then I'll put the new clamps on and I'll show you when we clamp them up. And then tomorrow, screw it all together, I think, and varnish it and burn it and do whatever I've got to do. So I've lined them all up. That's my table there, the 3 pieces of scaffold board. As my previous video, I've done the lines for the biscuits. I'll get the biscuit joint, set the height, which is probably about there where it is already. and I'll just do one at a time. So it's got to have 2 in there. And go on there. So this one, find the line on there. Next one. Could have been a bit deeper really, but it doesn't matter. I just went up the top of the garden to get out of the way because I didn't want the sawdust on the metal frame. So basically, biscuit jointer, biscuit joint at the top, bomb, 4 biscuits, these little puppies, and some glue. So, all the way down the edge, in the slot. Plenty on. Pop in a biscuit. Pop in a biscuit. Now this side. In actual fact, I should have done this. A bit of mud. Look. That just needs the biscuit slot doing really. And what I'll do, I should have done this in the first place. I should have done this side. All this side really. Down there, slot. Fill it up. Put that there. To this side. Plenty on. Jobs are good. It'll all stand off when I finish. So. Biscuit, and she goes, lovely. 2 biscuits there. Put 2 biscuits in there. 2 biscuits in there. 2 biscuits in there. Right. Biscuit in there. Biscuit in there. It's got a bit of movement there, which is what I want really. Now, my new clamps. Cheap as you like, these were from Amazon. These are, what make were they? I don't know, I'll put the link below. But I've seen some woodworkers use these, they're aluminium, that's all I want, light, cheap, light ones. But you can strengthen them up apparently by putting some wood inside there or something. So, because there's a little bit of play in these biscuits, I can actually move it up and down. So, that, I'll put that on there. Undo that. More. Yeah, as I said, I'll put a link below to these. They're only cheap, but I think that's £14 each. But they're perfect what I want. And if I just nip that up, and it enables me to move it up because there's a bit of movement on the biscuits. I can move that up slightly like so. Do that little nip now and do that in before it gets too. These are pretty good, these are, for money. But obviously you can't over tighten these, they're only cheap ones. Line it up there, and then give it a nip. That's perfect for what I want. I bought these clamps specifically, the length, specifically to do my whiskey barrel lids. I think these are full, what's the tape measure? I don't know, I'll put a link below to these. If I line it up like so, line it up like so, tighten it up. Apparently if you over tighten these clamps, it can, it's aluminium extrusion, it can bend the extrusion. So for what I want, and that is plenty tight enough. This one, that is plenty tight enough. You can feel them flexing a little bit, but that is it. And you can line these up a little bit. Let's line up, let's line. Oh, hang on. I might line up a bit more there. We've got that in there. Oh, so I'll loosen it up and move it back a bit. I should have cut it in one go, I suppose. About there. About there. That's fine. Now do it. Nip it up. Get the height right. Get the height right. That's lovely. That's it. That's holding it all together nice and tight. That is my tabletop, hopefully. 4 biscuits, biscuit joiner, cheap clamps, nice little tabletop. I'll call that a day this video. Next video, I think tomorrow, the table's going to be turned over, do a little touch up with the paintwork, make sure this is all glued together solid, give it a quick sand over, a few notches on the side, blow torch, got to put some holes in that metal frame, screw it all together, got a little outdoor coffee table, rustic outdoor coffee table for the sit outside the pub shed. Thank you for watching. Yeah, next video I'm going to screw it all together, get it finished. Because it's scaffold board worktop coffee table, metal legs painted up, that'd be ideal for outdoors. It's not expensive, cheap as you like. So yeah, I have to move it a little bit, I'm just trying to. That's it. Right, that I can leave out tonight. The weather's looking good, so I'll leave it all out tonight to dry. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, part 2. We'll finish it off.